Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study about the python-dateutil methods or say module. So basically it is the extension of built-in datetime module, and it has numerous of use case, and one particular that I have been using lately and found it to be fruitful in many of the automation tasks related to date time. Uh, it's like adding a month, a week, or a year to a current date, finding out the last Fridays of the next week or next month. Uh, so let's see one of the use case. Suppose I have started a subscription module with a start date, and system automatically needs to find my end date and check the end date and do the needed validation, and it also needs to generate the billing or based on my subscription and subscription date. So let's say I have a subscription day on May 7. That is, I started my subscription date on May 7. Then the system automatically needs to find my end subscription end date, which is April 7. All right. So if we use time delta method and add 30 days to it, then it might fail, or let's say it might be inefficient in all the cases in all the months. All right, because we might have the cases in which some month may have 29 days and some might have 31 days. So in that case time delta doesn't work because we are providing the days. So in that scenario we will need to add a one particular month to a current date, or one particular week to a current date, in case it is a weekly subscription. So let's see how it can be done in the our cell. So first I will need to install the python dateutil. So for that I will be pip install python dateutil. So now it has installed python dateutil. I will go in a python cell. Now I will, let's say my I will need to import from time from dateutil dot relative delta import relative delta, and I will need to import datetime also from datetime import datetime. All right, so I'll import datetime as well. So now I will find out the current date equals to datetime dot now. I already have imported datetime, so I have this datetime dot now. So if I see my current date, then it will give me my current date. Now let's see my subscription date is this current date. All right, now I will need to find out the third next month. That's basically I will need to add a one month to my current date. Then I will just current date, I will first name new month date equals to current date plus relative delta, and I will enter months equals to 1. So if I see now new month date, then it is giving me the 7th of January, 7th of June. All right, so if what if I need to just add a week, then I will just be current date plus relative delta, and I will give the number of weeks, which is 1. So now if you see new week date, then it will give me the next week date. So if I need to uh, find out the year next year from current date, then I will just be giving a years equals to 1. So if I see new year date, then it will give me the next year with the same date time. So yeah, basically these are the few things that can be done using this uh, python-dateutil model. So there are a lot of use cases, and you can check out the documentation as well. So yeah, this is the much for today, and keep following.